Well, let's see the photographs you took of the prom.
That was her getting ready, and then there's some more.
Yes, I don't assume you showed up to the prom in a tracksuit. Now, this is her getting ready. Now, here's the thing. Rebecca is, on any view, a very beautiful subject for photography. And having her on your website would be very useful to you because, knowing very little about it, she certainly looks like a model. Mm-hmm. You'd agree with me, wouldn't you?
Yes, I would agree, Judge.
And you would agree that her being the subject of a photograph might be beneficial to you commercially because people will see that work and think, goodness me, amongst other things, you've had a qualified model agree to sit for you. Mm-hmm. Understood. Are you particularly proud of the one on the left?
No, but that was one of 300 shots that she was allowed to pick from.
You say that you had a contract for £70, correct? Mm-hmm. That was July 2015. Now, I presume you would have asked her to pay very quickly afterwards.
Yes, I do agree that I never chased it as good.
You didn't ask her. Did he ask you for that money?
He didn't. Maybe in a dream, Judge, but
in
not
a dream?
in real life.
No, I didn't.
No, what sort of dream?
In his own dream, probably.
No, Judge,
in his own dream,
I did ask for that money.
When?
I did make it clear, oh, when will you be able to pay and stuff. She said she'd drop something and stuff. It was quite informal, but we did discuss it.
Quite informal, yes, if it happened in a dream. According to her, or you said, she what, some stuff? She dropped some stuff?
No, she dropped the money soon and stuff. Like she.
What do you mean she dropped the money soon?
Into my account, like, into my account.
Did you make that promise?
No, Judge, if I owed him the money, I'd honestly pay it because he was really close and we had such an established friendship that, of course, if I owed someone the money, I would give it to them straight away.
Well, the reason I know that's probably not true as well is because of this. You are not a stupid person, correct? Mm-hmm. If somebody doesn't pay you, you lose trust in them fairly quickly, mm-hmm. right? You certainly wouldn't give them a second chance, right?
But in this case, she was a really good friend. Right.
In 2016, it's her birthday, correct? Mm-hmm. Now, am I right? You made a subsequent offer to take photographs of the birthday as well?
This time she asked me if I could bring my camera.
Did you ask him to bring his camera?
Yes.
You couldn't have gone without saying, I will come with my camera. However, cameras cost money. This ain't free. Mm-hmm. Understood? Mm-hmm. Did you say that?
I did make it clear, yeah.
And did you say, before you show up, you want to be paid for the previous work that you did?
Mm-hmm. But then she did say that she was spending a lot of money on plans for her birthday, so I said, together, I'll take both payments together.
Do you remember that?
I think this was another dream of his as well.
I will take both payments.
No, I didn't.
He was a friend. He would have been invited to your birthday, I presume, in any event.
Yeah, literally.
Correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Do you expect your guests to charge you for appearances at your birthday?
No, Judge.
Now, what services were you going to be providing?
Providing professional photography, and I did also help her organise that event.
I accept that. He did help you with that, true?
Yes, he did, Judge.
Now, he's claiming, amongst other things, that you borrowed £120 to pay for a hotel room in respect of this party. Did you borrow £120?
Incorrect, Judge.
Did you stay in the hotel?
Yes, I did.
So why does she need to give you this money back, sir?
Because she did say that she just needed a loan for her birthday.
A loan for her birthday? Mm-hmm. Happy birthday to you. What did you get me for my birthday? Well, I've got you something so marvellous. It's wonderful. I'm going to think about this next year for you, Michelle. Happy birthday. Do you know what I've got you?
What have you got me?
An interest-free loan.
Thank you.
She did say she'd pay me back.
When?
That was on the date, so that was in April.
How long did she have to pay it back?
We never set a date, but she did say she'd eventually pay it back.
No date, no terms. So she might not be in breach yet. She could have 55,000 years to pay you back, correct? Mm-hmm. So how do I know she's in breach? Do you see the problem?
Yeah,
now, you certainly claim a further £70 for birthday photographs. Mm-hmm. Again, your reply is there was no contract, but even if there was, I wouldn't have paid for them. Now, let's have a quick look. These are photographs taken in the hotel room. Did you see all 300 images, or a lot of them?
I saw a lot of them, that's correct, Judge.
And what was your view about the quality of those photographs?
I thought they were they were really good.
Well, that's nice to hear.
Yeah, they were.
What's that supposed to be, sir, on the right-hand side? What are you getting at in that particular photograph?
I mean, that one, she just wanted to stand in the hallway, and I do think she picked those four because she looked the best in them.
You think that those represents her looking her best?
Yes.
Now, you haven't paid. I understand why. You're very cross about this, correct? And it's had an effect on your friendship.
That's correct.
Now, James, she owes you, according to your claim, quite a lot of money. There are 4 parts to your claim. The first part, as I understand it, is for £70 for failure to pay for the first photo shoot, that's the prom. The next £70 is for the birthday photo shoot. £120 for the hotel room that you say that she owes you for. And there's another amount that you're suing for. Can you tell me what that is?
That's compensation. And
Compensation?
and the fact, or more the principles and the morals that she's my friend and that I'd expect her to support my business more than anybody else. And if we agreed a payment, not to lie about it or not pay it at all.
So, because she hasn't paid you, you're going to sue her for £100. What's the £100 for? Principles and morals?
Yeah, I put that as compensation.
Why should you be given £100 compensation because she has no morals? Where's your loss? For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.